Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
These how-to instructions are for use with the Tregaskiss TT4A analog and TT4E Ethernet reamers. Warning: ensure the air and power supply is off and disconnected before proceeding with these instructions, and follow your facility's lockout/tagout procedures. We're going to show how to clean and remove debris from the spray containment unit. We recommend monthly cleaning of the unit to prevent debris buildup inside the container. First, you will need to remove the 2 thumb screws on the side of the spray containment unit. Next, remove the cover out of the container. Continue by removing the baffle that rests on the inside of the container and can be pulled out once the cover is removed. It is recommended to clean the spray containment unit with compressed air and a soft-edged tool like a plastic scraper. Once clean, replace the baffle cover back into the unit. When you're finished cleaning, replace the 2 thumb screws on each side of the spray containment unit. Once you remove the unit to clean it, be mindful not to lose the O-ring on top of the spray head. These how-to instructions are for use with the Tregaskiss TT4A analog and TT4E Ethernet reamers.